think it's going to start raining in 15 minutes. So I'm probably going to stop at some gas station, change, put my rain suit, and we shall see how it will hold up. So actually now it's getting a little bit sunny. There's a beautiful sunrise over here. Let me show you. Alright, still no rain, surprisingly, and I'm here at beautiful Grad Sloon, and I'm going to show you one beautiful place called Rastoke. Let me show you for a second, but I'm going to turn around and walk past this place like from a fairy tale. I'm going to cross that bridge over here. There's a small cafe. You can drink coffee right above the stream and the waterfalls. What a view. And beautiful Corona River. Imagine living here. You have streams and waterfalls right beneath your house. You have all these small houses for renting. Amazing. I love this place so much. And the restaurant over here. Oof. I'm hungry just thinking about it. The advantage of having a motorcycle. Exactly this. So this is river Slunčica and this is Corona River. So I think they merge over here. Alright, boys and girls, I hope that you liked my tour of beautiful Rastoke place. And oh, Jesus, I'm so inflexible. Right now, I'm continuing my journey. Let's go. Oh, it's 11 and 11. Talking about right timing. I think I had my share of luck with nice weather for today. The forecast was storm and heavy rain. Tourists. Storm clouds over there. Started to rain. Just a little bit. Oh no, not so little. I'm going to pull over somewhere. Just stopped at this old closed gas station, so I have some kind of roof over my head. I'm so stylish. Look at this improvisation. Candy bar, plastic bags as a protection for my boots and rain suit, because over there it's not looking good and I'm going straight over there. I also got these improvised gloves. So over here, big storm. On the other side, well, it's clearing up. And I'm heading that way. I needed to take a shot of this crazy cloud and crazy rain. Woo-hoo! At this point, it started to rain like crazy. I had to unplug my mic because my mic connection was exposed and I just didn't want to risk losing all the footage and losing all the sound. Also, I had my rain suit all the time and I think that my rain suit held up for, let's say, about 1 hour. So basically I was riding for almost 3 hours completely wet. My socks were wet, my pants were wet, everything was wet, but luckily it was around maybe 30 degrees, so it wasn't too much cold. Found this old road. It was a cool place to take a photo, and the scenery behind was amazing. Let me tell you a quick story. So while I was riding down this beautiful road, on the left side I saw perfect composition. As you can see, there were a few big windmills and small house. So I thought to myself, I'm going to stop by next to the road and take a few photos. What I didn't see also were two giant dogs. They were loose and they were starting to run straight towards me. Luckily the bike was very close to me, so I started to run with all my heavy gear, started the bike and went straight ahead. The dogs were running, I think maybe 100 or 200 meters behind, so I think if they got me, they would tear me apart. I finally made it to the room. I'm exhausted. 8 hours of riding, 5 on the rain, 3, 5, 7, 10, I don't know how many thunderstorms. It was crazy. My clothes is all wet. I need to dry it out because I'm leaving first thing in the morning. So that was for today. I hope you liked the video. Please hit like, hit subscribe. I'm going to leave the map on and see you in the next one. Peace.